So that's the nozzle basically. In the extruder itself, you have the small part. Okay, nozzle looks something like this, and through this only you will get the melted plastic. So this is the nozzle. So only the entire film melts and comes out of it. Understood now? So let's just go through all the parts of this 3D. Power unit. What are the two main parts?
Transformer rectifier.
Transformer and rectifier. What is the purpose of transformer? Okay. So what is the name of the transformer which increases the voltage then?
Step up.
Step up transformer. And the transformer which reduces the voltage?
Step down transformer.
So step down transformer converts 240 volts of AC to 12 volts of AC. And now we need AC or DC power supply? DC. So who will convert that 12 volts of AC to
Rectifier.
So this power element is a combination of transformer and
Rectifier.
where do you find this type of part in your real life? Laptop. So every charger, whenever we see the adapters are nothing but a combination of transformer and rectifier. Clear? Now coming to this part. What is this one? Whatever we have to control in this one, like the movement of the stepper motor, the speed of the stepper motors, or the temperature of the filament, or the temperature of the bed, or do you want to stop the movement, or do you want to continue the now? Click on this knob. Okay, go to and just rotate this because whatever this is the intro basically. Whenever you go, this main screen comes up. So like nothing will happen. So you can rotate this one. Now, like X location, Y location, Z location, and under this already. So 3D printer. Enter. Now click on this one again. Go down, check option. Third one is temperature. If you want to control the temperature, go down again. Complete down. Further down. Yeah. Print from TF card. So TF card means the memory card which we inserted here. So whatever memory card files are there, so that is TF card information is there. Click on. So now it is showing all the different files here.
Yes, sir.
So like Groot, FlexiRex, like all the files which we have stored. So now what is the third option showing? Gokarna Ganesh. Like it's basically a name place. Gokarna is a place. Ganesh is the like obviously the idol, like God. So we have designed that also. It will I'll show you on the laptop. This print you can this one you can actually print now. So now play. Now just observe. I mean even though it is moving but it will not print yet because what is it showing here temperature 28. Is it increasing? It will slowly increase. See 29 till it reaches 50 degrees because it needs 50 degrees at 31. And nozzle also right now it is at 28. But we need how much temperature for nozzle?
50.
Here how much temperature we need? 200. Clear? So nozzle has to reach 200 but for until this bed is heated, nozzle will not heat. So right now it is showing also bed heating. Once the bed heating is done, so 45 almost 46. Until unless we actually make a model. But making a model in one class is good. So this board is also printed in this model only. Take that. This one is also printed using this 3D printer only. So this movement is y-axis movement. So y stepper motor activated. So now if you see it will start moving towards left. Yeah. This is x-axis movement. only one. So team 3, no, team 2, team 3, both of all the three will come. If the file is already being printed here, so if you want to stop and change a different file, what you have to do is simply click on the button, just click it, you click, like that. So now click harder. So what is the option it is showing?
Pause.
Info, pause, stop, adjust.
Adjust.
So right now let's say if you don't want this file to be printed, so what you can do is